your family's Durga Puja is the event in this city for Durga Puja, right? Like everybody comes and it becomes like the paps are there and everybody sees कौन किससे कैसे मिल रहा है, क्या पहना हुआ है. It suddenly became a big event, like from a family function.
Yeah, I guess now that's the way things are. Everything is becoming becoming that. And we are going with the flow. You know, as long as people get a
How did
chance
it
to come and
begin?
do darshan, it began.
Who started it?
So if you know S. Mukherjee, so S. Mukherjee's wife started it. So we are in our 79th year.
Wow.
This year is the 79th year.
In Mumbai?
Yes.
Okay.
79th year we are like celebrating this year.
Okay. You never go to Calcutta for Durga Puja? It's
always this puja, right from our childhood.
Okay.
So we have memories. Like I have so many memories. Like my father and my mom were very, very involved in this Durga Puja. Getting the Durga Puja together. That time it used to be done in such a smaller scale where the evening entertainment programs used to be us only dancing to Rabindranath's Sangeet. And
You're an Odissi dancer,
yes,
right?
Yes. And our aunts used to only choreograph the dances and we used to be, all of us cousins used to be dancing. One night used to be some families coming together and doing a stage play. One evening used to be all of us cousins dancing to Rabindranath Sangeet. Then one day there used to be some singers used to just come and sing and go, because culturally evenings are always about cultural programs, and the day is the Devi Puja and the Bhog, and the Bhog is like how we invite people and we kind of serve and we do the Poribesh. Poribeshan is basically serving, and it's a very different feeling, because Devi ka puja jab hota hai, the shloks and the mantras are just so powerful. Then we have the Dhunochi Nach, and the Dhak. Every year there's a Dhaki who comes from Cal to play the Dhak in our puja. So yeah, we've kept the tradition going.
You speak Bengali?
Of course.
And your daughter, are you teaching her?
Daughter's little she understands. But of course, in my case, I think my mom only spoke, Bengali with us. Okay. So we had no choice. But Adira is born into a Punjabi Bengali family. So she has to balance both.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is, टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.